Welcome to the Wendals, and we're magnet fishing today. We're at Frog Island in Leicester, and this is the North Mills. Factories and warehouses were built on this site, and it's just started to rain, so I'm getting wet. Here's a picture of what this would look like 100 years ago. Hardly anything's changed, has it? New footbridge over there. Let's go and meet the team. James on camera as ever. There's Callum. Loving it. Ian's there, Beef's with us. Come on lads, let's do a bit of magnet fishing. Never mind the weather, let's have some fun. Sorry if the wind and rain affects the footage. We knew it was coming, we're hoping to get filmed a little bit earlier. Ian's had to work, haven't you, Ian? Yeah. So it's his fault.
Yeah.
No shorts today then?
No, no.
Sludge. Nothing, Cal?
Nothing.
Undergoing a lot of regeneration around here at the minute. They've knocked down everything on that side. Absolutely everything. Lovely old original building, this first part. It's had a new gable end built on it. That's the last couple of bricks just to shore it up a bit. Lintel where there would have been a door. Lovely old building. Hopefully they won't level this one. Look at that tie just there. So the building can't spread. A couple of 100 years old, I'll bet that. And this one here is probably 100 years as well. Shout from Ian, shout from here. Sorry about the wind. Oh, it's an old road sign. What's it say then? Place your bets now. Pedestrians. Road work. Man at work.
Say footpath closed.
Footpath closed. Good idea, yeah. Oh, it's roadworks. End. Well, that's the end of that.
Oh, that's right, because it's roadworks.
Ah. Look at these old lights, old style lights. Are you on something? Oh. Fall off.
Come off.
You got all bits on your magnet.
Should check that, shouldn't I?
The rain's just about eased off for a minute, but it's still bitterly cold today.
Yeah, we can take that. There's a depot's down there, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a council depot just down there. In fact, if I do a bit of zoom in, just past there is one of the council depots, so we'll take that light, the sign back to them. It's the lighting depot.
Screws?
Yeah, little oddments on there.
Nope.
Nothing exciting though.
No.
No.
That bullets at first.
Ooh, little gas bottle that, isn't it?
Yeah. Another one of those things, man. Oh.
Nothing great. Nothing great. Oh, a boat coming by. Wonder if it's anyone we know.
Won't be like that other one, will it? We'll have a barbecue.
Oh yeah.
I'll take one of those for retirement.
Yeah, you might want to pull over here while he goes through the lock. There's a lock just behind us.
I've sold my lock key.
It's from Ludlow.
Hey!
What's he got?
Bite lock.
Oh, bite lock. Yeah, combination one. You alright?
Alright.
Weather's just got a bit better, hasn't it? You come far? Oh, other end of Leicestershire, that is.
That's what we need, one of them.
What, a houseboat?
Up and down the canals. No, just for WW2 Wendal, isn't it?
Oh, that's something on that. Something a bit bigger. What's Ian got now?
The usual stake.
Yeah, a stake. Same again, that can go to the council depot. Yeah, they'll use that. So that'll come back into play. What we're thinking there is then? Some sort of shelf?
Could be a shelf.
Some sort of shelf. Callum's bucket.
Yeah.
Callum.
Get a bit of
Yeah, a bit of a knot.
don't want that, do I?
The boys have made the way up to the next bridge. We'll do a bit of filming with them in a minute.
Take to the council.
Yep, council.
Something good.
This is where we hear Callum shout something.
Yeah.
Sounds big.
Oh.
Fell off.
Yeah, something big down there. It keeps sliding up there.
Oh, I gave my magnet on.
Sliding up.
Do a bit. There. You're balling. Don't do that jerky thing, just do a nice smooth. Maybe we'll take 2 magnets. That a big bubble.
It's airtight and whatever it is.
Very near to Leicester city centre.
That's a big bubble. Come on. Big
Does it
container
come in?
full of guns.
No, we don't want that. This is safe. Right, drop back down. I'll get my magnet, or get Callum then. Yep, drop back down. Keep your magnet on it, and we'll get the other boys on it then, and we'll get that out.
Yeah.
Let's see what that is. So, we think Ian's on a safe. It's definitely something metal and square. He's called in the big guns.
Yeah.
Me and Callum. Beef's on camera. Let's see what it is. Am I on?
Go on.
Let's go. Do you remember that last safe we tried getting out?
Oh, don't say that.
Cal, you can drop on.
Yeah.
Is it safe?
It is. Oh no! Hey up. Oh no. There we go. Whoa.
It's a safe. It's definitely been opened though.
Come off the wall, that was
Nothing inside.
heavy duty.
That's a proper beast safe. That. So it's a key one.
The beefy one.
That takes to the number of safes and cash boxes World War II Wendal found along the rivers and canals of Leicester. That's number 26.
Yeah.
We had a count up. Number 26. But look at that. Not a bad find. Well done. Well done, Ian.
Great finds.
You're not going to get a safe that far out here. You've got to have some sort of throw to get a safe that far.
Oh, that's good.
Hello. Oh yeah, there. I'm on it. Whatever that is, I've got it.
You just nipped that off me.
Oh, it's come off right there.
That's right, I'll have that.
No.
Big competition, we like it.
Healthy competition.
Yeah.
So you don't get this.
I'm
when it's just
sure
Callum
you
and
said
me.
whoever gets the best find today buys the
Yeah, whoever gets
beer.
the best find today buys the pizza tonight. That's right, Ian. Well done.
Yeah.
Well done on that safe.
I'll find the pizza anyway.
Oh,
That's the one I got.
you've not. That's fine.
Oh, that's the one that fell off.
91. What's it say?
And
Well,
yeah.
World War II Wendal. So we're not doing too bad at the minute. A couple of old signs. Ian with this beautiful safe. We think that the shelf Ian found's probably come out of that. Looks about the right sort of size.
Yeah.
Yeah. What we got? A square thing?
Scrap.
Piece of scrap. Anything else? Rubbish. Oh!
Poker chip.
Poker chip. Poker face, isn't it? Is that metal? That's metal, look.
Is that an old one?
Yeah, it's magnetic. Oh,
That must be one of the old.
you wouldn't have thought, would you?
No.
I bet it's from a proper casino or something.
Oh, the casino's up there in town.
There is a
isn't it?
casino. Yeah, Leicester City Centre, 250, 300 metres there. That's the edge of the High Cross that you can see in the distance there. The largest shopping centre in Leicester.
I might as well put that
that's
on
the car
tonight.
park. Oh, what's that worth? Yeah, could we use that?
Let me clean the magnet on. Oh, actually, that's. Oh, no, please.
Ian, show us your poker face. Face look like. Is that it? Poker chip.
Metal.
Let's do Callum's comments. What you got for us this week, Cal?
Who is your favourite artist?
Artist, what, like Van Gogh? Picasso?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
painting.
judging from people around here, it's probably Banksy.
Comment down below.
Who's your favourite artist? Very good. Constable?
Can't read my poker face.
Up. Here with a poker chip. Making money.
Yeah, might as well put it in my safe, keep it safe.
Yeah. Hey, maybe it's come out. Maybe that safe is from the casino and it was full of poker chips. And Ian's about to get a load more out. You never know, World War II, Wendal, we're dreamers. Living the dream. Beautiful day now. How it changes. You drunk? Bit early for it, isn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit early. Edvard Munch. I like him.
No, is that off the cement mixer?
It's just a base, generic base in it. A scaffolding it could be. All sorts.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
More of those little things again.
Yeah, loads of them in there.
No poker chips.
No more. Was this going in my pocket?
I don't know.
Well, don't put it in Callum's bucket or it'll end up in the recycling, won't it?
You can have it 50p. Oh, what are they worth, the black ones? They're
No
the
idea.
highest ones, isn't
Don't
they?
know. No idea.
Probably £100 on that.
£100.
500.
Yeah. Beef. What beef's here? You found out yet, beef? No. Bit of a boo for you.
Boo boo. Someone's here, having the haircut. Bit too short.
Ian's not happy with his haircut. He's going to sack the barber. Callum's the barber.
Sweeney Todd.
Sweeney Todd? Ooh. Demon. Do you reckon there's another one there?
Could well be.
Do you need me?
You might do. Oh, no.
Callum's the only other one who's got a magnet on.
Come on. There's definitely something down there.
You filming, mister? Here you go. Oh, what we got? It's come off right there. There's something in the bag. Oh God, what's in the bag, Beef? Beef, what's in my bag?
Go.
Not big enough.
Yeah.
Could be a knife, couldn't it?
Bit nice.
What's in the bag? Oh. That.
Hello.
That's what's in the bag. Let's get it back.
Is it a mag?
Just a piece of metal. Nothing exciting. Callum's bucket. Beef's got wind.
You might get on that.
I will. Don't you worry, I'll get it.
There's something definitely there.
After I got that safe out earlier. Oh, he's got a little clamp, look.
G-clam.
G.
Anything writing?
You ain't no G.
Wing nut. Wing nut G-clamp.
Oh, that's not a G clamp. That's half a G clamp.
That's off a G-clamp. It's a lowercase clamp.
Hey, up, James. Beef, film this. What on earth is that?
Canister. Canister, there, see it? There's a thingy on it. You watch it go bang now.
Is it a fire extinguisher? It's fire extinguisher.
Yeah, that's right.
Film it, Beef.
Oh, it's still got the tab on it. Oh, the pen's full thing.
Oh, I've got some money. Some spoof.
Look at that.
2p. And...
Hey,
Beef.
Powder. Tonight, Matthew, I'm going to be.
Oh, glove got stuck to it. Look at that.
Cold
World War
green,
II Wendal.
Put out my
that
safe.
last service, that should have a thing on, shouldn't it?
Put out my
A date.
safe. Put out my safe. My safe's on fire.
That's fine, that's fine. So who's winning now? Comment down below, James's comments. Which is best, that safe or that fire extinguisher? What you got, Cal?
The pipe.
A pipe.
Let's get some of these going.
Still.
I still can't believe that.
Bubbles in, got bubbles, filming beat.
Yes! Oh, look at that! Who's winning now? Come on.
You're not going to win with a poxy average lock key, are you?
Yeah, but I've got a lock key and a safe.
No, it's on single items today.
Oh, Callum, do you
I
want
don't know
that?
what we're having this race for anyway, because whoever wins has got to buy the pizza.
Do you want
You're losing money each way.
that? Lock key. Still fine.
Well, that's the end of us magnet fishing today then. Ian, run us through the quality finds for World War II Wendal today in this historic spot.
We've got 2 signs.
Couple of signs.
We have a few bits of metal bars. We have a safe. We have a lock key.
A lock key. I've not actually had a look at that. Will that one clean up?
No,
Is that going to be
I think
reusable?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what we'll do with that. We'll actually leave that on the locks for the next passing narrowboat.
Yeah, why not,
we've
yeah.
got enough of them, haven't
Yeah.
we? We've got loads of them now. So yeah.
Someone will use it.
Ian's find of the day.
Safe.
Safe. It's a decent one. Would have had some sort of wiring in there as well. You're happy with that one, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm happy with that. The shelf, obviously.
Yep. And the best find of the day, without any doubt, has got to be my fire extinguisher. Comment down below, James's fire extinguisher.
No, Ian's safe.
World War II Wendal. I'm afraid that's the end of the filming today.
See you next time.